Hey guys, I'm George, and today I'm really excited. I'm going on an adventure to show you guys my land I bought for under 20 grand on an island. That's right. Let me, one sec. So you're probably thinking, well, that's not real. That title was clickbait for sure. So I'm gonna bust out my phone and I'm gonna show you right now how you can buy land on an island for under 20 grand. So check this out. Okay guys, so the site I'm on is called domain.com.au. Let's have a look. One for 18,900, crazy. One for 16,000, oh and oh. What? This one looks pretty good for 19,900. Nice little block, lovely block, ready to build on now. So that looks so cool. So guys, what you want to do is pause the video right now and you go on Google and type in Russell Island land for sale. Really cheap. Check it out for yourself. Crazy, right? Anyway, make sure you watch to the end so you can check out the island and see what it's like. So I'm just about to jump on a train and go on an adventure and get there and show you. Let's go. So the train's running a little bit late, so I should be in Katoomba in about 2 hours time. Finally off the train, I'm in Katoomba and I was gonna catch a taxi to the hotel. It's bloody freezing here, so I'm going straight to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, so let's get breakfast and then we'll talk. So that's where I've stayed and breakfast is next door here. This place. Okay guys, so I finished my Vegemite toast and I'm feeling good, I'm ready to go. So I thought I'd tell you guys a little bit about my land that I bought. So I've been saving for ages and ages for this place. I've been doing a lot of research and I'm just so excited to show you guys. It's gonna be amazing, you guys will love it. So I got about an hour wait until the next train. So I thought I'd show you guys a bit of a tour of Katoomba. So let's go. Okay, so I'm just going to the Three Sisters lookout. There's smoke everywhere here. They've been doing a bit of back burning. Okay, so that's Katoomba. It's really nice here, love it. So I'm getting back on the train. Yeah, so I just stayed at the Capital Hotel last night. Amazing, love it. I didn't get too many clips, but it looks pretty cool. Futuristic, only $45 a night. Crazy. And then sort of went for a drone flight, and I'll show you what happened. Just watch this. that one and the other one this one sort of survived a bit better. It is pretty early. I'm tired. Didn't get that good night's sleep. I was too excited to go to Brisbane. Anyway, maybe a coffee and I might feel a bit better. So let's go. Got about a 10-minute train ride and then I should be at the airport.
Today it's 1 hour and 5 minutes. A nice day in Brisbane forecast, 26 degrees top temperature. Stage on time, 10:30, touching down in Brisbane.
Okay, so I made it to Brisbane. I'm staying at the Brisbane Backpackers Resort. Really nice place. Anyway, so I'm here for 2 nights. First, try and go and get some blades for my DJI Spark. 2 sets of blades. Got my drone. I think the drone might be fixed, I'm not sure. I'm not going to test it out till I get to the island, just in case anything happens. Only like 5 minutes away is a place called South Bank, and it has a man-made little beach. Apparently it's so amazing at night. So I'm going to have a rest for a bit, watch some TV, and then I'm going to head down at night and get some awesome shots for you. Okay, so yesterday I had a massive big day and I'm wrecked. I wasn't going to put this in the video, I'm not sure if I might even edit this out yet, but I just thought I'd show you guys the good and the bad. I had cancer before, I had ALL leukemia, and I have a thing called post-cancer fatigue, so I get tired a lot, especially if I overdo it. So been in bed the whole day, not feeling good. I'll probably be in bed all tomorrow, but we'll talk the next day. I'm so tired, my body hurts, but we'll talk soon. Good morning. And I'm feeling a hell of a lot better than the other day. Today is a day I'm gonna show you my land, my island. So I'm gonna pack my bags and then we're off. Getting closer, I'm getting super excited. Let's get off the bus and it's time to catch the ferry. Okay, so I went to have a little rest and I sort of fell asleep for like a few hours. Anyway, I'm going to run down. The jetty's only like a minute away. I'm going to run down to the jetty. It's like sunset right now, so I'm going to try and get some nice clip for you. Good morning. So I just made a phone call. Apparently you can hire a car just up the road. I'm so excited. Just cruising around. Okay, so I'm just pulling into my street right now. I'm so excited. This is it right here. This is my land. Check it out. Amazing. I'm so happy to show you guys. Can't even speak. I'm so happy. So I paid under 20 grand for this land right here. All this. This place is called Russell Island. More population. It's got like a little IGA, a post office, a pub, RSL. That's all I want. I just want to live off-grid on an island amongst the trees. The water's about 800 meters that way. So I'm right next to the water. Probably wondering what is the plan with the land. Well, I'm thinking, you probably guessed it already, but I want to build a shipping container home. That's the dream. So I'm going to talk to some people, see what I can do, and we'll go from there. Okay, so that's the land that I bought for under 20 grand. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you want to see what I build there, what's the plan, what's happening, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Cheers.